Hello and welcome to Stock Market Guruji. We have already uploaded a good number of videos on this channel. I would request you to watch the videos because several important topics have already been discussed in this channel. And the good thing about this channel is that in every video I give a disclaimer if the particular stock that I am discussing about, if that is in my portfolio, I always tell that in the video. So before coming to the content of today's video, we would be going to the Angel One app. The Angel One, which was earlier known as Angel Broking, is a very safe app to start trading in your stock market. So I would recommend you to get this Angel One app. The link to this app has been given in the description box, and if you get the app through that link, you will get plenty of benefits. Now let's come to today's content. Today we are going to talk about a stock which is often known as the joker of the stock market. Why it is called the joker of the stock market? Because the value of the stock has been almost in the same range for considerable period of time, around 5 years. But that doesn't deter the quality of the stock. The quality of the stock is amazing, and it is practically one of the largest cap companies in the stock market. But still, the price of that stock doesn't change much, and it always undulates in a certain range, and that is why this is called the joker of the stock market. So what is that stock? Let's come to that. ITC. ITC Limited, Indian Tobacco Company Limited, is the stock which is called the joker of the stock market, and presently it's trading at a value of around 234.45. See, today there was a jump of around 1%, which is not much, but let's look at the maximum chart pattern. So you will see its highest value was 367 and low was as low as 10 rupees, which was way back, almost 2 decades back. So let's look at the parameters from what does the ticker tape suggest about this. Intrinsic value is very good. Current price is less than the intrinsic value. ROE versus FD rate. Stock has been generating better return on equity than bank FD. So it's another positive point. Dividend return, it's very good. Entry point is very good because this is at this stage the stock is trading at a very discounted price. So it's a very good point to enter into this stock. No red flags, as I've already told that ITC is one of the biggest companies in India. So you can expect that there will not be any red flag in this stock. Forecasts. What do the analysts suggest? 34 analysts, out of them 71% are suggesting that this stock should be bought. So what is that? Now let's come to the financials. You can see financials also, they are doing very good, and as I've already mentioned, the stock has given a wonderful Q3 result which was out today, that is 3rd of February 2022. See, the quarter 3 result, profit rises 12.7% year on year basis to rupees 4156 crore, and revenue jumps 32.5%. And best thing about today's result is that it has even given a dividend of around 5.25 rupees share. So everything about the stock so far is good. This stock is often purchased because of its high dividend returns. So let's look at the dividend returns. See, in June 10 there was 5.75 rupees dividend, and as I have already told, today they have declared another dividend of 5.25. so in this ongoing financial year the total dividend will be 11 rupees, which is very good and lucrative. Earlier year as well, there was a dividend of around 10 and 5, around 15 rupees dividend given in the previous financial year, and before that it was giving consistently giving dividends. Now let's look at the bonus shares. Till 2016 it was known as one of the best companies giving bonus shares very consistently. See, In 2016, 1:2 ratio. In 2010, 1:1. 2005, 1:2. 1994, 1:1. Then 91, then 89, then 80. But after 2016, as you can see, the stock price has not moved much, and that is the reason they are not giving any bonus. But that doesn't mean that the company is not a good stock to buy, because ITC is a conglomerate. It has so many business together wrapped under one stock. So what are the business? Agriculture, and their principal product is tobacco. So tobacco is there, agriculture is there, paper is there, tourism or hospitality industry is there, so many, and FMCG is a very important part of the conglomerate. Now all these stocks are wrapped together into one conglomerate. So there has been a news that there might be demerger of this stock. So what will happen if demerger happens? So see, tobacco will be a different stock maybe, then hospitality, that might be a different stock, then agriculture, that might be a different stock. And in today's result, if you see, agriculture sector of this stock has done extraordinarily. So agriculture might be a different stock, then ITC FMCG may be a different stock. So you will be getting different stocks, and when different companies are demerged from a conglomerate, the prospects of a particular segment getting maximum output, it becomes manifolds, and that is called value unlocking. So if there is a demerger of this company or this conglomerate, you can expect there will be a value unlocking of other sectors like FMCG or agriculture or paper industry, which are at present being pulled back because of its presence in the tobacco sector. Because of its presence in the tobacco sector, the FIIs are not showing much of interest in this wonderful stock. But once it's demerged and tobacco industry is separated from other sectors will start unlocking their own values, and soon after, the FIIs, they will start showing more interest in this stock. So this is the reason I personally prefer this stock. This stock is there in my portfolio for a considerable period of time. I haven't seen much jump. I purchased this stock when it was trading at a value of around 165-66 rupees, and from there I have gained something around 60-65 rupees. But I have been consistently getting dividends, and I have high hopes on this company, because if the demerger happens within which is quite likely to happen in the next financial year, then this stock will get skyrocketing value. So I would request you to have this stock in your portfolio at this stage, because if you start investing now, it's still trading at a very low value. So maybe in future you cannot catch it, because the stock price may jump. So my personal suggestion would be to have this stock, wonderful stock, blue chip stock in your portfolio. I also do have certain quantities of this stock, and let's see how it performs in the coming days. I hope ITC, considering its wonderful brand image, will definitely see a change in this stock price in the coming days. So thank you for watching this video. We'll be coming again very soon with another important video on another important stock. Till then, tata and goodbye. Thank you.